Hey, thanks for joining us. It's Critical IT Solutions here, back with another Windows shortcut video. This one's just going to be a quick video showing you how to use the Windows key and your arrows to snap around your windows and clean up your screen a little bit. So we're just going to start off with this Google one. The first one we're going to do is just make sure you have the window selected and the Windows key and to the left, and that'll snap it right over there to the left. And as you see, once I let go, it'll bring up all my other windows. And if I select one of them, it'll snap it right on there to the right. Okay, and then also you can do that the opposite way and go Windows key to the right. And if you keep your Windows key held down, you can continue to move it. So while the to do is over here on the right, I can keep the Windows key held down and then go Windows key up, and it'll snap it up into that upper right quadrant of the screen. And then with the Windows key still held down, I can continue to move it. And then if you go down, it'll put it in the lower right quadrant. And then once you let go, if there's any open space, it'll suggest your other open apps to fill that space with. All right. So that was just a quick little video, show you how to snap your windows around your screen. You just use your arrow keys and clean up your screen just like that. All right.